Hello everyone, today, I will be introducing the VL-6B low-speed benchtop centrifuge. This device is suitable for laboratory departments, regular colleges, medical, and university research units, with a wide range of applications. The machine comes equipped with a number 7 horizontal rotor and 4,750 ml round buckets, along with 750 ml centrifuge bottles. Samples should be placed symmetrically into the rotor. If there are very few samples, balance them with an equal amount of water. It features a 7-inch touchscreen display, where all parameters are clearly visible. To adjust parameters, simply press the set button. When the parameters are flashing, use the up and down arrows to increase or decrease the values. There are 10 acceleration and deceleration levels. The smaller the number, the faster the acceleration and deceleration. After adjusting the parameters, press the start button to begin operation. To remove the round buckets, use a T-shaped wrench to loosen the rotor's locking nut by turning it counterclockwise. Then, lift the rotor vertically off the bearing. To install the steel fork rotor, place it vertically into the machine and tighten the locking nut by turning it clockwise with the wrench. Finally, hang the stainless steel racks onto the rotor, and you're ready to go.